Today, I'm just introducing one of my book review in English. The review by B. Narayanamurthy from Dubai. He's basically a Tamil guy. The book I wrote in Malayalam, that is translated into other three languages: Tamil, English and Arabic. Murthy is basically from Tamil Nadu. He read the Tamil book Meet Pugal. After that, he wrote two reviews, one in Tamil and another in English. The name of the English book is The Necessity of a Turnaround. The translator is Anitha Padanatil. She is a well-known writer. This book is published by the Libby Publications. I am just going through what Murthy wrote for us. Recently read a book called The Necessity of a Turnaround, based on the true incident in his life. The story writer has written this novel. The bonding between father and son can say whatever you can say the duty of his father: service and work. In this situation where there are children who left his parents in the middle of the streets, the son who fought and rescued his father to death, that is, he is showing an example. Savitri will fight with Yama and restore her husband's life. So this is the autobiography of the son who fought and rescued her father's life from Yama. To the father who used to walk by holding his finger in his childhood, you can feel the divine condition of this son to walk again. Son of work, self-employed father. One day, call on mobile phone tamed everything. The call from mother that the father said chest pain. The son who was nervous. The journey of the son who leaves everything in the same way and goes to see his father. And the journey continues to be nothing to his father in his father. I have seen my father, but I have nothing but you ran away in these eyes. The son who wiped tears, I am in the sight, and his hand said it. When he went to ask for advice from the doctor, he knows. Tell me whatever it is going to the doctor in advance. Please tell me alone, sir. He requested to the doctor. He suggested some medicines to say that it will be fine if we eat medicine. To the son who came back alone, immediately take the father to the big hospital, and his blood pipeline has been 95% of the blockage. If it is like this, we can live for 6 months, and the advice that you can live for 20 or 25 years. The son had tears in his eyes. The son felt something to see his father, who was sitting outside the mouth of the window. This is the memory of the father who was shocked when he was beaten at his feet today. When he opened his father's death mouth, the water was opened in his eyes. He does not have enough money in his hand. Even if there is a middle class family, the son who is fighting to save his father. The doctor who said there is no problem with surgery says there is no more problem. That means the blockage in the blood pipe is correct. Now there is a small problem in the respiratory pipe. Until then, he said he will be in the emergency treatment section. He has been alive. How he fought from many problems like this and brought his father alive. In the emergency treatment section, for almost 60 days, his father is fighting for life as a single person. Every day, when he saw his father, every day he said, I am in his years. I will not let nothing. Doctors say a new issue every day and get signed informed to treat it. Then the answer that comes from son's data, do whatever treatment, no matter how much money you spend. It is that only give my father back alive. You see, you get the feeling. This is the book every son should read. Son became father. To the sons he gave birth. To the father who gave birth to him. A little sadness, not a son to his father, but the son who became a father beyond that. He didn't notice his wife for 3 months. It is meaning the situation where the father was, so it is not only mentally, but also affected by economic level. That time his wife was pregnant. In that situation, he missed to take care of his wife. It was better if the wife who gave full cooperation, the husband's warmth in the car, and the words of the two words were given to his wife. At the same time, the mind is relaxed, thinking of his mood. It's a miracle. Mother is a role to heal father, and his effort will not be played in the world. One day, call from doctor, we treat all the way. Tell those who have no improvement from him yet. So that you have to say the fear that the son has been hanged by the son has fought so far. The longing that father will not come back. All the expenses that he has come back. All the cost so far he has come, and don't delay again. We can destroy all mother, sister, wife and relatives finally thought to see it. Mother first went to see his father, and the son who was not knowing how to console. She was shocked when she was laughing outside. I have told my father nothing to do with him. I poured water that was brought to pray for God. And he went out to the temple where he said, Father will survive. I don't want to say to son. This is the close to father and mother, the son who was happy that the brought mother in a good mother in a way. One more man. How many people have earned in his lifetime? We can clearly see how much it helps to our life. Friends who helps in distress, wife who stands in poverty, the relation that helps in danger. If I get all of this, life is heaven. Greetings and gratitude to the writer. B. Narayana Murthy, Dubai, basically from Tamil Nadu. Thank you so much.